My name is Courtney Hartman, and I'm the building consultant here at our Macon, Georgia office for America's Home Place. In my opinion, the best floor plan that America's Home Place has to offer is the Walton 3A floor plan. So there's a lot of great features with this plan that really attract a lot of different types of families and couples that are looking to build a custom home. That floor plan is kind of a great square footage. It's like a happy medium. It's about 1,500 square feet. So it gives you enough room for the 3-bedroom, 2-bath layout. So one of the best features is the front porch. It has about a 22-foot wide front porch that really gives you the ability to have furniture on the front porch, to have a swing if need be, and kind of gives an inviting look to the house to kind of achieve more of that farmhouse style look that's really popular nowadays. It also has a great layout on the interior between the living, dining, and kitchen. That's all a very open concept, and it gives you the split plan option too. So you have your master bedroom on one side of the house and the other bedrooms on the opposite side, which works really well for a family that has 2 to 3 children that don't want something too large but do need those additional bedrooms for the children to stay in and kind of want to have a little bit of separation between those rooms. Kind of keeping a house that still gives plenty of space in the bedrooms and the living room without getting too large of a house and too much upkeep. As a building consultant, I get to meet with customers really on the front end and kind of work with them throughout the whole process of designing their house plans, picking out what floor plan works best, making those changes, and really everything that leads up to when they're ready to get started with building. So when it comes to selecting the floor plan, generally I'll sit down with a customer and just kind of go through what their needs are in a house. And from there, of course, if they do have customizations and changes that they want to make, like little tweaks or changes to make it that perfect fit, I'll go through that with them as well and redline those plans to kind of incorporate those changes into the floor plan. If you'd like to learn more about our floor plans or our building process, go to americashomeplace.com and be sure to like and subscribe.